Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is about how to sell more on eBay by beating your competitors' delivery times, so your listings show higher in the search results. And this is done by changing just 3 different fields. In a previous week's video, I showed how eBay's Cassini search engine works. If you missed that video, I'll put a link at the end of the video to it. Now, getting listings to appear higher in the eBay search results is all about optimizing listings for eBay's Cassini search engine. This week's video focuses on one of the factors that plays a big part on where each listing shows in eBay's search results. I'll also show you in this video how to compare your delivery times to your competitors and how to adjust the 3 different fields so you know how you can beat your competitors. Okay, let's get started. Now, put yourself in the shoes of a buyer. Let's say you're located in, say, Sydney, Australia, and you want to purchase, say, a pair of new Apple AirPods. You log onto eBay and do a search for Apple AirPods. eBay now shows you all the listings with the keywords Apple AirPods based on the 5 factors that drive eBay's Cassini search engine. One of the 5 factors is convenience. And eBay takes into account how long it will take for each seller to deliver the item to the customer based on the postcode the supplier entered into their listing and the postcode of the buyer. Now, eBay knows that human beings want items delivered quickly. Therefore, if the buyer is located in, say, Sydney, Australia, it'll always give more weight to buyers located near Sydney. Obviously, if there are 2 listings on eBay for exactly the same item, and both listings are identical in every way, except one seller is located in, say, Australia, and the other seller is located in Italy, obviously eBay is going to show the Australian-based seller higher in the search results for this Australian-based buyer. Now, going deeper into this, if there are 2 sellers in, say, Melbourne with identical items or identical listings, again, whichever seller in Melbourne can deliver to the buyer the fastest, that seller's listing will go the highest in the eBay Best Match search results, where everything else is equal. eBay displays on every listing when an item is expected to be delivered. However, this delivery time is based on 3 factors, including the postcode in the seller's listing and the postcode of the buyer's eBay account. To see delivery times for other postcodes, click on any eBay listing where it says See Details. Here you can enter any postcode, then click Get Rates, and then eBay will show the delivery date. You can do this with your listing or your competitor's listing or any other eBay listing. Now, there are 3 aspects here that all affect the delivery time that eBay shows, and therefore where any eBay listing is positioned in the search results. The first of these 3 factors is the postcode that's been set in the listing. In this case, this seller has set the postcode to St. George's Basin. Many eBay sellers don't realise that you can change the postcode in each individual listing. If you don't change it in each individual listing, it will default to the postcode set in your eBay account profile. In each listing, a postcode can be set when the listing is first created, and also you can also revise the postcode simply by revising the listing. The next factor that can be changed is the shipping provider. This seller has chosen Australia Post standard postage. By changing this to a courier, like, say, Sendle or any other courier, eBay automatically adjusts the shipping time for a courier which is the same as Australia Post Express. Again, this shows the delivery time faster and therefore pushes the listing higher up the search results. And getting listings to the top of the search results is one of the factors to sell more on eBay. The next factor is the handling time. This seller has selected 2-day handling time. Again, if a 1-day handling time is selected instead, this will again push the listing higher up the search results. Of course, if you're drop shipping or shipping the items yourself, only choose speeds and times, etc., that you or your supplier can achieve. If you want to see more hints, tips and strategies showing how to sell more on eBay, I have a complete free course, and I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you want to see the video showing how eBay Cassini search engine works, I'll also put a link on the screen and below to that one as well. That's all for this week. I hope this video helped you with how to sell more on eBay by beating competitors' delivery times. Please scroll down and leave me a comment below, and while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using eBay and Amazon. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.